Envision Size and Fit Analyser, the size advisor app for Shopify clothing stores. Guide your customers to buy the right size by asking simple questions. It's a Shopify app, easy for your customers to complete, and has the highest accuracy available on the market. Clothing stores using this have experienced up to 53% fewer returns, 49% more conversions on first-time sales, quick and easy installation straight to your Shopify store, and results with less than a minute for your customer to complete. If you're a Shopify clothing store selling standard sizes, this is the app for you. So how does it work? First, your customer answers simple questions like their height, weight, typical sizing, and body shapes. Once they answer those questions, they'll be recommended their best size and see exactly how it fits on their body. They can also toggle between sizes to see how different sizes may fit their body, as well as review the measurement chart. Also, once they've completed the questionnaire, they can peruse the rest of your website and be given a recommendation for every product that you've configured, as well as see exactly how each of those products will fit their body. For store owners, it's a very simple and easy process to get started. Just install straight to your Shopify store, and then you would set up your products by answering some simple questions about that product, as well as entering the size chart. So what do our users say? Here's Olivia Barron from Floreal.
My business has improved greatly. Revenue has gone up a lot. I'm able to spend more time on making new designs. My customers are happy because now they are more confident in buying the products, which means that I'm getting less returns, so I'm much more confident in my inventory. And I'm able to get customers from all over the world, regardless of ethnicity, height, weight, body size, because this plugin is so accurate.
Michelle Lee writes, "The app has dropped our return rate by 72% and our average order margin has increased by 37%. What a big improvement on size charts." Enrico Solarin writes, "The app has fixed our fitting problem and boosted our conversions by 2 times. And finally, Sandra Wills writes, "No need for fancy 3D models. Virtual sizing try-on is here. This has increased our customers' buying confidence, and the accuracy has reduced our overall return rate by 3-fold. So what are you waiting for? Guide your customers to buy the right size today. Sign up for free now."